As a pilot scale scientist, I'm really proud of our team. We take newly developed products and upscale them. That might be non-GMP materials for further development and testing, or GMP materials for clinical trials. It's nice to remember that all these small tasks amount to something amazing. My personal impact is a bit closer to home. I'm a mum of 3 girls and I have limited time. In the time that I do have, I bake for friends' special occasions or birthdays. It's a way I can show them how much I care. It's like sprinkling a little bit of love in each recipe. My name is Linette Gambiza, and I know my impact.